Hi everybody. Today I have another egg muffin recipe for you, but this one is going to be a little bit healthier than the last egg muffin video that I made for you. So let's get started. First, I'm starting off with an optional ingredient, and that is sour cream. I'm going to add a little bit to mine because I like that it makes it a little bit creamier. And so I'm going to add just a spoonful of this, and then I'm going to add my seasonings in a second. So I have garlic. Always have my garlic. And then I've got the salt and pepper. In here I have 6 eggs. I'm not making a whole lot, but I needed something to bring to work tomorrow for lunch, so I figured this would be a nice quick option. There's a little bit of salt, and I use the pink salt. And then I've got my fork. Let me stir this up a little bit. And then, let's see how I want to do this. I have a little bit of green onion that I chopped up, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in here. Mix those up. And I saved some. I saved the ends of the green onion that I bought from the store. So right now I just have them in a little mug of water, and they've actually grown a little bit, so I've chopped some off and used it for this. Next, I'm gonna use some pico de gallo, and this one is mild. Let me wipe off my spoon. And I'm going to add some pico de gallo. And I don't measure anything. Oh well. Alright, give that a good stir. Got some eggs stuck to my spoon. And a green onion stuck to my spoon. Alright. And then what I'm going to do is pour these in here. Just a little bit. Well, it's looking like I'm going to have enough for both work days. That's good. That way I don't have to buy my lunch. All right. And if you saw my last egg muffin video, I didn't make a mess this time. Cool. So I'm going to set this down. And then, of course, I always have to top it off with some cheese. Always. And then I have my oven preheated. I think I put it on 375. And I think it takes about 20-25 minutes for these. And then, so I will show you when they are done. I like this. So simple, quick. There you go. And I'll show you them when they're ready, okay? I had these in the oven in the middle rack for about 20 minutes, and then I moved them to the top rack for the last 5, and they look so good. Smell really garlicky. I wonder if I added too much garlic. Now it's time to taste it. I see all the pico and the cheese. Yum. That's really good. And it's healthy. I'll make these again.